Welcome back, guys. Today we're making some Jamaican power punch, aka strong back. If you don't see all the ingredients, just adjust and add what you like. This is my version. Before we go any further, hit that subscribe button. Okay, grab a blender. Gonna add some peanut, some oats, banana, ensure, some vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, your sweetened condensed milk, some almond milk. I like to add some chia seed and flax seed to mine, some spurlina powder and a little bit of salt. Lock that up, blend that until all the ingredients are blended, creamy and smooth. You can chill that or add over ice, pour that in your glass, and enjoy, guys. Jamaican strong back. Hit that subscribe button, like and share.